Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at the top 5 best air fryers that deliver impressive cooking performance, real convenience, and excellent value for your kitchen. Each model in this lineup brings unique features that can make everyday meals faster, healthier, and easier. Let's get started and take a closer look at what sets these air fryers apart. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven, 17 touchscreen presets: fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shutoff, large easy view window, black. This model is designed for families who want versatility and efficiency in one appliance. It combines an air fryer, rotisserie, dehydrator, and convection oven, allowing a wide range of cooking tasks without needing multiple devices. The 10-liter capacity is ideal for larger batches, whether it is roasting a whole chicken, dehydrating fruits, or cooking multiple servings at once. The touchscreen interface includes 17 preset functions that remove guesswork and allow quick selection for common meals like fries, fish, chicken, and baked goods. The large viewing window makes it easy to monitor food without opening the door or losing heat, helping maintain even cooking. The internal lighting enhances visibility so you can check browning and texture throughout the cooking cycle. With rapid air technology, it circulates hot air around food for a crisp finish while using significantly less oil than traditional frying. This feature supports healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor or texture. The rotisserie attachment allows slow rotation for evenly browned meats. It is effective for preparing whole chickens, kebabs, and other items where even heat exposure is essential. The dehydrator function works well for snacks like dried fruits, vegetables, and homemade jerky. Temperature and timer controls give flexibility for precision cooking, which benefits both simple and more advanced recipes. Number 2. Ninja I Air Fryer, a 4-in-1 Pro Air Fry, Roast, Reheat, Dehydrate, 5 QD capacity, fits up to 4 pounds of French fries, 400 F max temp, nonstick basket and crisper plate, 120 VA Gray F141. This compact 5-quart model is built for quick cooking and convenience while still offering strong performance. It features 4 primary cooking functions including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The capacity is designed to fit up to 4 pounds of French fries, making it suitable for small families or individuals who want fast results without using an oven. The maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows high heat cooking that delivers crisp textures. The non-stick basket and crisper plate help ensure even airflow around food. This setup improves browning on fries, wings, vegetables, and breaded items without requiring large amounts of oil. The basket design promotes circulation so items cook consistently and avoid soggy spots. The simple control panel makes selecting temperature and cooking time straightforward, allowing users to adjust based on the specific recipe. The reheat function is useful for leftovers, working as an upgraded alternative to microwaving by restoring original texture. Roasting performs well for vegetables and proteins, giving caramelization and even cooking. The dehydrator function allows drying fruit slices, herbs, and simple snacks. This adds versatility beyond standard air frying and gives users more meal prep options. The lightweight build and relatively small footprint help it fit on most countertops. Its gray finish blends with modern and minimal kitchens. The combination of compact size and 5-quart capacity is a balance between space-saving and functionality. The interior can hold multiple servings, making it efficient for quick dinners or side dishes. Number 3. Nutrichef 5.8-quart Air Fryer, 8-to-1 preset cook modes, transparent fry bowl for best cooking results, cook shrimp, steak, fries, wings, chicken and more, precise temperature control and time. Gray. This air fryer stands out with its transparent fry bowl that allows users to see their food cooking from start to finish. This design makes monitoring texture and browning simple without opening the unit or interrupting heat flow. The 5.8-quart capacity works well for families or anyone preparing larger portions such as chicken wings, steak, seafood, and vegetables. With 8 preset cooking modes, common foods can be prepared quickly by selecting the appropriate setting. These include options for shrimp, steak, fries, wings, fish, and baked items. Each preset adjusts temperature and time for optimal results, giving beginners and experienced users an easy way to achieve consistent cooking. The fryer's rapid heat circulation delivers crisp edges while maintaining tender interiors. The precise temperature control allows adjustments for custom recipes that require specific heat levels. This is particularly valuable for proteins that benefit from exact timing and consistent airflow. The digital screen clearly displays time and temperature, making it easy to adjust settings as needed. The air fryer design supports low oil or no oil cooking, helping create healthier meals without compromising quality. The unit's gray color and compact design make it suitable for most countertop spaces. The fry bowl adds a unique visual element, making the cooking process more engaging. The integrated system promotes even heat distribution so food cooks uniformly across the entire batch. This is beneficial for items like fries and wings that often require careful rotation in other cooking appliances. Number 4. Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 24 cooking functions and digital controls, 7 accessories included, stainless steel finish, 26 QD capacity. This model is designed for those who want a full-featured cooking appliance capable of handling large meals. With a 26-quart capacity and French door design, it provides easy access and ample room for full-size trays, multiple racks, and family-sized dishes. The stainless steel finish gives it a professional appearance while offering durability for frequent use. With 24 cooking functions, the unit can air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, warm, dehydrate, and perform specialty tasks like slow cooking and reheating. The digital controls provide precise temperature and time settings, allowing flexibility for both everyday meals and more advanced cooking projects. The high-powered heating system distributes air evenly for consistent results whether preparing pizzas, chicken, casseroles, or baked goods. The French door layout allows one-handed opening, which is convenient when placing larger trays inside. The clear window offers visibility without losing heat. Internal lighting also helps monitor cooking progress. The included accessories such as racks, a baking tray, air fry basket, rotisserie spit, and crumb tray expand the oven's range and make it suitable for a wide variety of meal types. The extra-large interior makes it possible to replace a conventional oven for many tasks. It preheats faster than a full-size oven and uses circulating hot air to cook food more efficiently. This is useful for weeknight meals that need to be prepared quickly. The air fry technology helps achieve crisp textures on fries, chicken, and snacks with minimal oil. Number 5. Cosori Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, Air Fryer Convection Oven Countertop, Bake, Roast, Reheat, Broiler, Dehydrate, 75 recipes and 3 accessories, 26 QD, silver stainless steel. This 26-quart smart oven offers multifunction convenience with 12 preset cooking modes designed to handle a wide range of meals. These include baking, roasting, reheating, broiling, toasting, air frying, dehydrating, and more. The stainless steel and silver finish provides a modern look and durability for daily use. The large capacity supports family-sized dishes, full meals, and batch cooking for meal prep. The smart connectivity allows control through a mobile app. Users can monitor cooking progress, adjust temperature or time, and access guided recipes directly from their phone. This feature adds flexibility for busy households. The unit includes 75 recipes to help users explore different dishes and take full advantage of the 12 preset modes. The convection system uses rapid air circulation to create crisp textures and even browning across the entire dish. This method reduces the need for excess oil and speeds up cooking compared to a traditional oven. The oven's clear window and internal lighting let users check progress without opening the door. The smart features also send notifications when cooking cycles are complete, helping prevent overcooking. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the top 5 best air fryers. All product links are included in the description if you want to check current pricing or learn more. Make sure to subscribe for more detailed product reviews that help you choose the right tools for your home. See you in the next video.